What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we got a little something special from our friends over at Microsoft. You know what time of year it is, you guys. Surface time. And you might or might not have heard, but the Surface Laptop 4 was announced, and that's what we've got inside of here. And we got it in nice color too. But all right, let's get inside of here. Using, of course, our kunai. Another box. Okay, that's cool though. This is the real box.
Ow.
That did not touch you.
It did.
Okay, so here it is. Oh, baby. So here we have the brand new Surface Laptop 4. This is the 13.5-inch version. You know, there's also the 15-inch, but we opted for the smaller one over here because I like the idea of a super portable high-end laptop like this.
You see this, guys? Look at me.
That one was on purpose. But as you guys can see here, this comes in the new ice blue color. And if you guys know me, you know I had to go for this one. But they do still have the standard Surface colors available as well. And this is also the Intel model. They also come with AMD's new chips. So if you're not an Intel fan and you want to go AMD, you have that option. All right, so let's take a look at it, shall we? So we have it right up top. Actually, Surface laptops came in a blue color before. This is a different version of blue. This is that ice blue. I'll show you guys some B-roll of the other blue version, but this is nice. I'll take anything blue, you guys know me. But also inside of the box, we've got some paperwork and our charger right here. Pretty standard Surface charger. Carl, how many of these do we have?
A lot. And crazy thing is, when I go look for one, it's very hard to find.
That is weird. Because we love Surface products over here. I think everybody on the team has a Surface. And so we got a ton of chargers all over the place. But that's essentially all you get inside of the box. Very minimal unboxing. But let's actually take a look at the Surface itself. Yeah, ready? You ready? Okay, it's only like a little bit of tape here. It's not super satisfying. But here you have it, you guys. Here we have the new Surface Laptop 4. But just taking a quick look around, it's got a similar design to what we've seen with previous Surface laptops. But on this side, we have a USB port and a USB-C, as well as a headphone jack. And on the other side, you have your Surface Connect port so that you can go ahead and charge it up. So shall we? Oh, look at that. This is very different on the inside. So on the inside, you guys might know this, there's usually this Alcantara finish. So it's got like this nice soft touch. It's like a fabric feeling material. But you can also opt for a metal version if you're into that. Maybe you don't want this to get dirty over time or something. You can go for the metal version. And I like this. This is like a strong mix of blue-gray. I'm getting like blue-gray vibes. But anyway, I'm excited for this because like I said before, I'm always looking for a nice, inexpensive, not really super inexpensive. I think these retail or they start at $9.99, but always looking for a good value laptop. And I know Surface usually delivers, so we gotta see what's up with the latest and greatest one. All right, so we've got our Surface laptop all set up. Now you might be wondering what's different about this one this time around. Of course, we've got upgraded processors. This one is carrying an Intel Core i7 processor. Like I said before, you can get AMD versions as well. But my particular version also has 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of SSD storage. We've got a HD camera, which is supposed to be better in low light situations. So if you don't have an abundance of light, it should still perform well. Shall we test it out? Let's do this. Let's kill that light. Yeah, this is pretty meh lighting. Okay, so we've got our camera open over here. Looks decent. Turn off man cave. This is actually surprising. We've got one light source over there, and this does not look bad. Okay, let's do a Carl, get out the frame. I'll just mess with you. Let's do a video, Carl, let's see. Yeah, we're recording now.
Yeah, that's me.
It's okay. okay. For this lighting situation, not bad, but it's definitely a bit on the fuzzy side. But this is really bad lighting. Set man cave to 100%. You know, this really isn't bad. For like, you know, just a regular built-in webcam, I'm not mad at it. What you think, Jay? Jay's like, I can't see nothing from here. So their built-in HD camera does look pretty decent. It definitely performed well in low light, where it might not be the sharpest thing in the world, but from just what I could tell, you could see me clear as day. So if I didn't have an abundance of light, I wouldn't feel too bad for the person on the other side of the camera trying to watch me because they'd be able to see me pretty clearly. But that's just my first impression. Speaking of webcams, the microphones on here have also been improved. Now we have studio microphones, so we're supposed to get better audio quality. And we actually just did a recording, so maybe we could play some of that back and kind of hear how it sounds. Okay, so from what I can tell, I'm gonna put up the brightness for a second, you guys. I'm gonna blind you. Wow, that's actually really impressive. I sound better than Carl does, because Carl's a bit further away, but I like the way I sound here. Definitely a bit on the fuzzy side. That's pretty clean. That's clean audio. Now, those are some pretty good things to see in today's day and age where webcams and microphones are really important because so many things are going digital, so many video conferences are happening. It's really important stuff, so it's good to see that they kind of up the quality in those aspects. But some of the other things that you can come to expect from a Surface device is an amazing typing experience. The keyboard seems pretty unchanged here. You'll still get that really awesome typing experience. The Surface keyboards are easily some of the best, if not my favorite keyboard on a laptop ever. So glad that that's here. And Carl, you had the blue Surface laptop. What do you think about like the Alcantara and like the keyboard experience? Do you remember it? Cause I know you use the Surface Book now. He don't remember, you guys. Never mind. Why we ask Carl?
Can I talk? Can I talk? Thank you.
Tell me about.
The keyboard experience was amazing.
He lying. He making stuff up right now.
Nah.
He doesn't remember.
But,
this is why it's not your average Carl, okay? And when it comes to the screen, Surface is still rocking that 3:2 aspect ratio. So, you know, it's slightly different from the 16:9 when you're watching videos. You know, you're gonna have those little borders at the top and bottom. Not a big deal since this is a nice high quality screen. Of course, it's touchscreen as well. So if you go ahead and pick up like the Surface Pen, you'll be able to draw on it, take advantage of all the things that the Surface Pen offers. So that's nice. There's just nowhere to actually put the pen. There's no magnets for it to actually stay on it, but it does support it if you want that. And that's like a big part of like the Surface experience. But Surface devices are amongst the few laptops where I really trust the accuracy of the colors. It's usually Surface products or Mac products where I feel like I can trust the screen to do some of the video and photo stuff that we do over here. So you can definitely feel confident that you're getting a nice screen here. But this is easily one of those devices where if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We've got all the standard things that we expect on a Surface device here. The design is mostly the same. Of course, we got upgraded specs, that same touch screen, nice keyboard, same ports. So if you guys are interested in seeing a full-blown review on this guy, let me know with a comment down below. We also got that nice big trackpad. I'm excited for this one though. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll have links to this as well as everything else linked down below in the description. I believe Microsoft is also coming out with a few other products as well. At least they're announcing them. I'll try to have some of those linked down below in the description as well if you guys are interested in checking those out. But till the next video, guys, this is Your Average Consumer. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. I hope they keep coming out with blues.